In this video, you'll learn how to choose a professional on Wecasa. By the end of this guide, you will be able to find a cleaner or other service provider in your area and successfully book an appointment with them. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the search query, Wecasa cleaner in my area. This will help you locate available profiles of cleaners near you. After you execute the search, browse through the results and click on the profiles that interest you. Each profile will provide important information about the available professionals. If you have previously booked a professional on Wecasa, their profiles will automatically appear when you initiate future bookings. This feature allows for quicker access to familiar service providers. Simply navigate to the booking section and you will see the professionals you have worked with before. Another option is to ask the professional directly for their profile link. Most service providers are happy to share this information, making it easier for you to access their details and availability. Once you have the link, you can quickly view their profile. Alternatively, if you cannot find the profile you are looking for, you can request the direct profile link from Wecasa support. They can assist you in locating the necessary information to proceed with booking. Once you access a professional's profile, look for green time slots that indicate their availability. This is crucial for ensuring that you can schedule your desired service at a convenient time. After confirming their availability, log into your Wecasa account to begin the booking process. On the booking page, enter your full address to ensure the professional can reach you. Following that, choose the date and time for your appointment. This step is essential for coordinating your service effectively. After selecting the appointment details, take a moment to review the pricing information provided. This will give you a clear idea of the costs involved before finalizing your booking. Next, add the professional's name in the comments or notes section. You can use the field labeled "Tell the professional more details" to provide any specific information or requests. Proceed by selecting your preferred payment method. Wecasa offers various options for your convenience. Finally, click on the button labeled "Book My Session" to complete the booking process. This action will confirm your appointment with the chosen professional. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.